thank you if you're returning, love you. If you're new, love you as well. Just go down, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload videos. Welcome to the Polishcious Nail family. We're growing slowly, and that's okay. I am planning to do a 200 or 250 subscriber giveaway. Not there yet, not even at 200, but thinking about it. So I got this from Amazon. Thank you, Amazon, for fast shipping in a snowstorm. And it is so I am an acrylic tech. So when I went through school, we learned acrylic and gel, but I loved acrylic. It was fun because it cured itself. I've been in the business for over 10 years, so I learned how to file with literally a file, like just a thick file. And now they did have, pardon me, oh my, oh, electric drills back then that plugged into the wall, and you had like a little pedal like you do for sewing machines. They've come a long way now, but I don't have a very good acrylic system, and I want to start doing more acrylic, as well as had a customer order acrylic press-ons. And you're thinking, huh? Now at first I'm like, do I just make them in, like, you know, the polygel things? But no, I looked up some people who actually do acrylic press-ons for people, and it's just a tip, and they put a very, very thin, like, layer or coat, you could say, of acrylic. I don't know, it was fun. She liked them. Cost a little extra for that, but that's okay. So I wanted to practice and practice and practice my beads and my acrylic again. So I was offered to try this set of hands. I do have a silicone hand. It's too pretty. It means a lot to me, and it's too pretty to, I just didn't want to practice with it because she's just dainty, and she's for me, I use her to do just nail art designs. So this came with this kind of hand. So this will just attach to the table, which is perfect. And then these, they move, so you can like use, you'll see me. So you can just move it and bend it. Now it did say that these came with 300 tips. Now from the picture, it said 1 package of these and 2 clear is what's in the picture. I don't care. I'm fine with these because I'm just going to be sticking glue and tips on them and stuff. But the hand will be really neat. You'll see me using it, and it's just like, you know, it's got a thumb. I have to figure out how to use a thumb because our hands weren't like this. We actually practiced more on people than we did hands in school. Okay, so with that, it does come with what it says is a 48-watt light. I don't know. Pardon me. We'll see. I doubt it. I doubt it, but we'll see how it cures. I have a special thing. It's not here yet, but I have a lamp that will cure it. So I should put this back. But I'm going to try it to see if it works and how it works. But, you know, and then we have, let's move this here. We'll just put her down here under the desk, and then we have all of this. So let's just get her open. Oh wow. Oh wow. Let's keep pulling more stuff. Ooh, what's that? Oh cool. Huh. Alright. Give it to me. Thank you. So this is just glitter for nails. Let's see. I'm assuming they're little. That hurts. No, don't want to. No. Oh yeah, they're little. Just let me in. Just let me in. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh yeah, they're tiny. That's okay. It's nice to have, I mean, to add, you know, to have extra to your glitter. I don't have that much, really. We got gold and blues and greens and reds and golds, and so that's good. Oh, a dotting tool set. That's nice. And then one of these little, I call them jewel pickers. Oh, and this is, oh, I don't have different colored foil. Neat. It is, it's foil. I'm gonna take it out, it's elastic. Oh, it's flying everywhere. But it is, it's just different foil. Love it. Okay. Those are stickers. Okay. Here's a pink set. Interesting. It's nice. And some jewels. Yeah. Cool. So these are striping tape, and these are, okay. These are hard to open. These are stickers. I'm assuming the whole thing is stickers. Some beautiful, oh, they look really thin too. Butterflies. Oh, more butterflies. Oh, cute. Oh, cute. Oh, more butterflies and some flowers and, oh, more. Oh, this is just all butterflies and some flowers, some birds. It's got some, that's cool. Okay. That's a lot of butterfly stickers. And then this is striping tape. I have a couple. Haven't really tried them before. Here, looks like there's a ton in here. So we got like silver, gold. I don't know. I don't know. Purple, red. Ooh, white. More gold or green, maybe. Red, blue, or multicolored. Cool. Never used them. Should try and use them. But there you go. You get a bunch there. I will link it below. So that's really cool. Okay. Well, this was just a quick video to get it out. But that's what you get in there. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.